Work, work. Wiz. Tiny.
I can tell that the same, and one night, like my things, told the one I love. I'll be back one day, through the fight, through the pain, broke the flight, took a plane, told her not to cry. I'll be back one day.
Been dreaming this since I was young, so baby girl, I'll be going till I'm gone, till I'm gone, till I'm gone.
Yeah, I buy time in Switzerland, I drive around in Monaco, I shook hands with royalty, I make songs that Monarchs know, TTT La Sofa, me, Ray Joe, call me Aloe Black, cause I need that dollar, yo. Hiccup, blame me on the liquor, I came through like a stick up, now I'm boarding like a kick up, I'll be cutting off these bitches like an episode of Nix Up. I guess I am the best man, I'm so sorry about the mix up. Come out and play, pour out another bottle, let's do it all today and worry about it.
Ну везде. Кыргызы везде.
Да.
Жылдызбек хочет купить этот дом. К сожалению, он будет для этого работать 2 года. Будет питаться картошкой и водой. Иншаллах, все будет у Жылдызбека. Хорошо, брат. Что сказать? Это чудесное место, где можно посмотреть все.
Мы в Дубае.
Вроде не скажешь, что на пустыне может располагаться очень много интересных вещей, но, как мы видим, все здесь есть. У нас, допустим, Кыргызстан маленькая страна, все зелено, все это, но, к сожалению, таких вещей там найти особо сложно.
Gross. Port of Miami, important. Ain't got nothing to lose. It's important to tell me that was for fun, only for fun. All I seen was the struggle. It's like I'm trapped in the sun. Mortgage were barely paid, no water.
Yes, what I can say, it's an incredible place where we are right now. That's really crazy. Of course, let's to see stones, which is I like that they're created with you know that with that good ideas. You know that it's just a small part of this area. Welcome. Welcome.
Hey, let me kick it to you right quick, man. Not on some gangster shit, man, on some real shit. Anybody done been through the same thing, I'm sure you feel the same way. Big Phil, it's for you, pimpin'.
I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone. And I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone.
Never had one of them days, wish you would've stayed home. Running to a group of niggas who getting their hate on. You walk by, they get wrong. You reply, then shit get blown way out of proportion. Boy, pad discussion, just you against them, pick one in Russia. Figure you'll get jumped here, that's next. They don't wanna stop there, now they bustin'. Now you gushing. Amalan rushing you to the hospital with a bad concussion. Plus you hit 4 times, bullet hit your spine, paralyzed way down, now you wheelchair bound. Never mind that, now you lucky to be alive. Just think it all started, you fussing with 3 guys. Know your pride in the way, but your pride is the way you can fuck around, get shot, dying today. Niggas die every day, all over bullshit. Dope money, dice game, ordinary hood shit. Could this be cause of hip-hop music? Or did the ones with the good sense not use it? Usually, niggas don't know what to do when they're back against the wall, so they just start shooting. For red or for blue or for blow, I guess. From Bankhead up to your project. No more straight, now I'm straight. Now I get it, now I take time to think before I make mistakes, just for my family's sake. That part of me left yesterday, the heart of me is strong today. No regrets, I'm blessed to say the old me dead and gone away.
I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone. And I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone.
I ain't never been scared, I lived through transit.
Afrika'da Dinozavrды карап жүрөбүз. Dinozаврдын жинine тийип алдык бүгүн. Sorry. Экинчи кайталабай балдарыңа. Болду. Кичине настроениясы түшүрүп алдык. А так жакшы. Нормально эмес. Билен проблема. Болду. Иншаллах Дубайда.
How should I feel? Creatures lie here,
Grand hustle,
looking
homie.
through the window. Monster, how should I feel? Creatures lie here, looking through the window.
From the king of the south to the king of the states. Riding in a car you probably never seen in the states. No idea how much I can bring to the states. Hey, you can get 100 on for $1 million a day. Frank Lucas ain't the only one who made $1 million a day. Boy, this an American gangster right here in your face. And you don't want to see PSC on the scene with a case. You think you're running up and robbing, I ain't even the case. And just because you get away, that don't mean it's okay. You a dead man walking and I mean it, okay? Don't take that other couple meal and put it back in the safe. Oh, buy a cash for the crib on the back of the lake. I'm hungry crucial, keep stepping with the gat in your way. See, I ain't in the street no more, boy, that's what they say. Go ahead and try when you see him, boy, you have to be great. The twist to hit you in your face, you beat to have to replay.
They say your attitude determines your latitude. I'm high as a motherfucker, fly as a motherfucker. And still the motherfucker you love to hate, but can't because you love what I make. Now ain't that about a bitch? And I'ma talk shit until I'm out of hits. They don't wanna turn these speakers up, they claim I ain't deep enough. All that talking I feed off of, keep it up. I'm relaxing, my feet is up. I'm leaving you haters like when Shaq left the Lakers just to eat it up. I say the stats are stunned, I don't need the front. They Black History every day, I don't need them up. The survey says by the streets according. Kanye just...
Вот мы здесь собрались, чтобы обсудить бизнес-идею. Вот так попивая латте, кушая мандаринчики, мы думаем, как бы нам разбогатеть в Дубае. Возможностей здесь очень много, главное делать. К сожалению, мы с Жилсбеком люди идеи. Когда мы собираемся, мы создаем или производим около, наверное, 100 идей в день, если не больше. Но нам нужен человек, который бы реализовал эти идеи. Сколько мы уже здесь? 7 месяцев, да? За 7 месяцев столько идей. На нашем месте другой уже давно разбогател бы, уволился бы, и уже жил бы припеваючи. Вот так вот. План с вами.
Бары жакшы. Ушул топто 2014-жылда келип калды. Буюрса жумуштарыбыз жакшы. Убакыттар тар болуп атат, ошого карабастан аракет кылып, бош кезде ушундай жерлерди көрүп, Дубайды көбүрөөк билгенге, кантип жашайт, кантип жүрөт, кандай жерлери бар, эмне кылса болот, эмне кылса болбойт деген темаларды карап, билип, үйрөнүп, көрүп жүрөбүз. Буюрса баары жакшы. Курсагыбыз ток дегендей, главный ден соолугубуз зебе. Тренировка кылып атабыз, окуп атабыз, чогуп атабыз дегендей. Буюрса жакшы, элдери абдан жакшы, действительно. Кыргыздарды дагы абдан сыйлашат. Конечно, кандай сыйлаганына жараша биз дагы аракет кылып атабыз сыйлаганга. Но кичине биздин характерибиз кичине башкачараак болот экен. Анча мынча сөздөрдү көтөрө албай болуп атат жумуштарда. Но биз кыргыздар молодцы. Но ыйлагандар бар, жыргагандар бар, келгендер бар, кеткендер бар. Но в общем, баары сонун болуп кетет. Буюрса, ар ким ар кандай жөндөмдүүлүктөрүн, ар кандай нерселерге колдонуп, мисалы үчүн биз дагы аракет кылып, ушу көптөгөн нерселерди таап, аракет кылып атабыз. Буюрса, будущем, чтобы азыркы жаш кезде урушарга жоо, урунарга тоо таппай турган кезде көп нерселерди кылып, алыбыз күчүбүз барда баардык нерселерибизди күчүбүздү убакытыбызды билимге колдонуп атабыз буюрса. Действительно бизге билим жана ден соолук.
As the beat goes, now you there, why you there? You still there, you go there. We're back again, we did it again, we make it rain. Haters go insane. You want it to, I'm gonna give it to you, But the things that we do, see the way they do, the things they do. Thinking they might breaking your heart in two. Now they can see all eyes on you. Tell me what the I man go do. Haters, hey. Tell me what the I man go do. Haters, hey. Tell me what the I man go do. Cause we they do. Hey, oh. We sabi do. Tell me what the I man, nothing I man go do. Who they? Now you there, why you there? You still there, you go there. We keep it coming, ain't no stopping us. The hits keep dropping, that's the way we keep it popping. Bad belly people everywhere, wanna go see us everywhere. Climbing up with no fear. When they do the things they do, thinking them are breaking your heart in two. Now they can see all eyes on you. Tell me what the I man go do. Haters, hey. Tell me what the I man go do.
қандайсың?
Oli.
Жігіттер. Біз Дубайда жүрөбүз.
Салам. Азыр кыргызча музыка болуп атат. Буюрса. Давайте деди.
Давайте.
Кыргызчага окшош экен. Давайте деп даярдык. Oli. One of the big in the world buildings which we have in Dubai. One of the big mountains in the world. Number one. And we need to be a number one also. Right. Number one. Right.
It's like whatever I do, just can't get through to you. I'm never gonna tell you nothing wrong. Listen.
Now she like me, shawty got on her. We used to jump up in the Maybach and roll out. Used to care, she used to share. The love that she used to give me can't be found. I lost my way, she said she'd stay. And lately I've been sleeping with a ghost. My stock is down and out. I used to be with my weight and go. That was before the Great Depression kicked in and rocked us. And that was before